Welcome my people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Foota Hyper expose the 6 camp, plus we also have Kman 6 send some message to the youths, and then we have Vybz Kartel. So gentlemen, remember, leave a like, subscribe, click that bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload when it drop. Big up on yourself and make we jump right into it.
In my dog mansion, money up, every Glock, got a switch and jump. Remember, go the way you say, shut the spit.
So we have Kman 6 took to his IG where he made some posts. He must send some positive message to the youths them, viewers and subscribers, pre-war go on. So Kman said, stop the violence please. Too much money to make, too much things to experience. Why y'all wanna die? Any crime you go in and do, you have to worry about being dead or locked up. Hustle hard for what you want the legal way. Listen, get the youths. I can't stray, I can't go anywhere without police escort. All when I junk, I have to be looking over my shoulder. Parents, as long as children have the right guidance, it won't be easy for them to get manipulated. So don't blame my music or anything else. Guide the youths. So, you know, some positive message from Kman 6. And you don't know, so we have to highlight stuff like these for the people them can see what the G say. Because I don't know, say, oh, Kman 6, you can say him have a bad image in the public eyes. You see me, a lot of people blame the music, the type of music that he does. So, yeah, things like them, you have to just like put them on the channel, highlight it so why the audience can see it, you know. Yeah man, positive message from the G Kman 6. Big up yourself, bro. And I saw the artists them for pre, you know, for just stay out of jail and do the right thing, make music, make money, you know. For the youths them, same thing, just make money the right way, you know. Money the day for all of the youths them, all of the ghetto youths them. You see me? So yeah, viewers and subscribers, make we continue. Alright, so Foota Hype jump out and I expose the 6 camp. Yeah man, the G, I make you know say, yo, from Squashman drop a jail, nobody no talk about Squashman. Nobody, none of the 6 them no post about the G. Nobody, you see me? So I'm gonna make you hear with Foota Hype have to say about the whole situation. And then I'm gonna play a Malidan song because Malidan did mention Squashman in his latest album. You see me? So I'm going to play the song after when I hear Foota Hype have to say. Yeah man, so you can see what really go on, you see me?
You know, so I sit down here so a while ago, I pre all life wicked and all people even wickeder. You know, I sit down here so I think a while ago, I say, you know, say from Squashman got jail, I don't hear one artist them we say 6 say free Squashman. Me not hear none of the people them with their hype and say 6 and say squash. Say free Squashman. No friend, no family, no selector, no artist, nobody. When I'm circle, me not hear say free Squashman. Me not trust people. Me not trust human being. Them can't blood clot trick me.
Dog where you gone? Squashman the jail dog a go and hold it off. That days ahead, mom say man no fi soft.
So I cannot speak about the rest of the 6 members, but I know for sure say Malidan did speak about Squash. You see me? Yeah man, the G recently dropped an album, Leak the Hard Drive. And you can go check out the G album, you see me? And in System Tears, yeah man, him basically a sing about Squash. Cause you don't know say yo, Malidan and Squash, them cool, you see me? Them still a link. But you know, yeah man, Squashman drop a jail. So me don't know about the rest of the 6 members them, but me know for sure say yo, Malidan did speak about Squashman in a System Tears. So you can go check it out. You see me? Yeah man, but me don't know about the rest of the 6 camp. But I just Malidan alone me know about, so I only post about who me know about. You see me? And in the comments of System Tears, Maldan made this post and it says, System Tear, rest in peace to my dogs them Tug Mansion. Free Squashman. Hashtag forever up. So Maldan there so I show say yo, him acknowledge the fact that Squash drop a jail and you know, yeah man. So only Maldan me see make a talk about Squashman. Me don't know about the rest of the 6. But you know, yeah man, you can go check out the song, check out the G album. Yeah man. So remember, viewers and subs, if you reach this far, just leave a subscribe. You see me? Yeah man. Make we continue.
Squashman the jail dog a go and hold it off. That days ahead, mom say man no fi soft. Yeah.
So we have the world boss get himself in some problems with Sidem. Viewers and subscribers now go play the live and make us see what really go on.
Live restricted for some audiences. Your live contains themes that some may find uncomfortable and has been restricted. Hey baby, what's up? TikTok, what go on? I did it. I tell about the Grinch and the man them corrupt in the dog. One them corrupt charge, man them make see them screech up on me dog. You know how them do it? How you do it?
I never see it. Come on now. You see? No.
Na life hard, you know. Get to youth. See one burn a life. Oh, wicked, you know, daddy. Don't you see me a laugh at trouble when I come after the life. Come on. Man said, don't come on. Oh, God. People, my life is a drama, I say. Oh, listen me there and smile. I don't know what I feel inside. Only you know.
Hello?
Yo, paper. Boy, wicked for me or somebody said don't run. Yo, Chado. Yo, Chachi, you're cheering though, man. Yeah, I know. That's why I mean I can't key, you know, because I know I get detention, you know.
Alright. That's okay, no problem. Then,